Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel of Tech Life. It will make your life easier by following some technical tips. There are a couple of things you can do to prepare your Excel workbook before sending it. You can find everything you need in the backstage view under Impact Workbook. Let's start. First of all, I will discuss about inspect document. From the check for issue down arrow, select Inspect Document. Before you use Document Inspector, here a dialog box has appeared. Before you use Document Inspector, make sure you save your changes because the Document Inspector might remove data that can be restored later. Do you want to save your file now? If I press OK button, then I can check different type of information that has been make hide make hidden. Here, the comments and annotation, document properties, data model, content apps, text panel, pen apps, custom XML data, header and footer, hidden row and column, hidden worksheet, the invisible content. This may be appear if I inspect this workbook. So before sending any workbook, Excel workbook to anybody, you must check the workbook by inspect command. Otherwise, your personal information may be sent to your client. That may be harmful for you. So let's inspect the document. Here, I have seen that some comments has been appeared in my workbook. Where is this comment? Okay, and another problem is the hidden row and column that I don't want to um, keep it hidden. So remove all hidden and comment. That means here is the comment. There is a comment. Okay, inspect here comment is problem. So remove all, reinspect. No, no problem, no error found. Okay, now no comment is appeared here. Before send any Excel workbook, you must inspect your document. Then I will discuss about the check accessibility. Okay, in this check accessibility command, some error may be appeared. Here, some error has been appeared. That means your document is not accessible to all. To fix this problem, you can follow this instruction. Follow this instruction to solve this problem. Okay, after solving this problem, this error might be resolved. Then I will discuss about the check compatibility. In this command, whenever uh, you work in any version of your Excel, you will find some problem in saving. If you work on suppose version 13, it whenever you save it and open it lower version, all the command may not be appeared. Some command may be get damaged. So to fix this problem, you must check the compatibility checker. Here, I have used 13 version Microsoft Office version 13, and here the previous version is 9223, 2003, 2007, and 2010. Okay, so by checking these three command, we can make ensure some error and solve this problem. Thank you for watching this.